students, today we are going to read lesson number 10 of class 8th, and the name of the topic is From the Ramayana. Before continuing with this topic, I would like to give you a brief introduction about Ramayana. That Ramayana is an ancient Indian epic which narrates the struggle of the divine prince Rama to rescue his wife Sita from the demon king Ravana. Now let us continue with the presentation for the day. Okay. The first question is, who wrote famous Indian epic Ramayana? It was wrote by Valmiki. Next is, Janki was the nickname of Sita. Here in this picture you can see Sita ji holding a lotus flower and her name was Janki. Next is, Ayodhya is located on the banks of the river Sarayu. What was the name of Jatayu's brother? The name of the Jatayu's brother was Sampati. The next is, who was Bali's son? The name of the Bali's son was Angad. Who killed Indrajit? Here in this picture you can see Lord Lakshmana who was killing Indrajit. So the right answer is Lakshmana. Next is, where did Ravana keep Sita after bringing her to Lanka? The Sita was kept in Ashok Vatika. So this is the Ashok Vatika where Hanumanji has gone to see her. Next is, what is the name of Ravana's vehicle which could fly through air? The name of the Ravana's vehicle was Pushpak Viman. Next question is, in which Kanda Rama banishes his wife Sita even as she is pregnant? The name of the Kanda was Uttrakanda. According to Ramayana, who was Lakshmana's mother? You can see this lady. Her name was Sumitra. According to Ramayana, who took Rama and Lakshmana to the Swayambhar ceremony for Sita? The name of that saint was Vishwamitra. Next is, what was the name of the bow that was broken by Rama in Swayambhar ceremony for Sita? The name of the bow was Pinaka. Here we will be talking about the sons of Lord Rama. The sons of Lord Rama was Lava and Kusha. In Hindi we call them as Lava and Kush as well. Next one. Where was Ravana born? Where was Ravana born? Ravana was born in Bisraq, which is in Uttar Pradesh. Next is, Hanuman is the son of the god. The god was wind god. Here you can see the picture of the wind god. Next is, what herb did Hanuman bring from the Himalayas to save Lakshmana's life? The name of the herb was Sanjeevani. Here you can see the man who is holding in the hand the Sanjeevani booty. Next is, what is the capital of Kosala? The capital of Kosala was Ayodhya. Next question is, what is the birth star of Lord Rama? The birth star of Lord Rama was Punarvasu Nakshatra. Who went to meet Rama in Chitrakuta after he left for forest? When Lord Rama he left for forest, one person came to meet him, and that was his younger brother. His name was Bharat. Which sage's ashram did Sita give birth to her kids? The sage ashram was Valmiki. You can see the picture of Valmiki. In which Kanda? Next is, how many mothers did Lord Rama have? Lord Rama was having 3 mothers. Next question, who is Rama's father? Rama's father was Dashrath. Next is, in which Kanda did Rama meet Hanuman and Sugriv? Hanuman and Sugriv, who met Lord Rama, that is in Kanda Kishkinda Kanda. Next is, you can see number 7. It means how many parts is the great epic Ramayana divided into? It was divided into 7 parts. Next picture, you can see that Sita is driving her children that how to bow and arrow. So the question is, what was the last Kanda of Ramayana titled as? The last Kanda of Ramayana was titled as Uttrakanda. Next question is, who was the author of Sanskrit version, also the earliest version of Ramayana? The author of Sanskrit version was Valmiki. Next, you can see the picture of Lord. They are just cutting the nose of that lady. That lady was Surpanaka, and she was the sister of Lord. She was the sister of Ravana. Okay. The question is, who cut the nose and ears of Surpanaka? That was Lakshmana. And what was the name of the Ravana sister? The name of the Ravana sister was Surpanaka. Next is, who cut the nose and ears of Surpanaka? That was Lakshmana. As you can see in the picture, Lord Lakshmana was cutting the nose and ears of Surpanaka. And question number 27 was, what was the name of Ravana's sister? The Ravana's sister name was Surpanaka. And question number 28 was, who cut the nose and ears of Surpanaka? The nose and ears of Surpanaka was being cut by Lakshmana. Now the next one is, who in Ramayana was known as Dashkanta? The person who was known as Dashkanta in Ramayana was Ravana. The last question is, who was Vali's wife? The Vali's wife was known as Tara. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.